Yeah, 6 hours, 33 minutes.
Headed to school. Got two classes today. I got calculus and chemistry.
Just got back from class. I was gonna go to the gym like immediately after class. I was gonna go straight there, but I think I'm gonna have one more meal and then I'm gonna take a nap and then go to the gym. Hey, so I'm right here outside LA Fitness parking lot. It is Monday and I'm about to hit chest, so yeah, we'll see how packed this shit is. Judging by the parking lot, I'm like way in the back. Shit probably a little packed. If I walk in there and I'm not feeling it, I'm walking right the fuck back out, and I'm gonna go to Madhouse. Yeah, so back in the whip, and I walked in there, and bro, every single last machine was taken up, bro. Somebody was sitting on every machine, bro. Like, I knew it was gonna be packed, but not that packed.
I'll call them today though.